Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you're going to set up Touch ID on your Mac. So naturally your MacBook or Mac computer needs to support it, but we go to the system settings like this, and in the left panel you're going to scroll down through the options and you should be able to find a Touch ID and a password. So as you can see, this is what I click on, and for me I currently have one fingerprint added, right? But what I can do is I can click on the plus button. So when I click on plus, I need to rotate, you can see that I have to type in the password of my Mac computer at first. And then now on the keyboard, I need to locate the Touch ID sensor. So it's going to be somewhere in like the top right portion of your keyboard. You should be able to see like a circular thing. So you can just keep on placing your finger on the top of it until you fill up the whole thing. So you keep on going to capture the edges of your fingerprint now. Just follow the instructions as you can see, and the Touch ID is ready. So I'm going to hit it done. You can see I have two fingers, fingerprint 1 and 2, and you can of course rename them to something else. So you can type in, for example, right index finger, right? And that's how you can make sure that you know which finger is which. You can decide below for specific features you want to use it with, right? Like the unlocking of your Mac, Apple Pay, purchases, autofilling passwords, and so on. But that's going to be about it for me. Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.